everybody. Today our lesson will be optimization with linear programming. The learning outcomes of this lesson is to find the maximum and the minimum of a function over a region. You need to know what does linear programming means. It's a method for finding maximum or minimum values of a function. The feasible regions are bounded and unbounded. The bounded is the closed one, which has this is the visible region, and this is the vertex, and this is the constraint. And the same with the unbounded region, which is the open one, like this. So this is the vertex, and this is the constraint. The constraint is all the lines. So the question will be like, graph the system of inequalities, name the coordinates of the vertex, the vertices of the visible region, and find the maximum and the minimum values. So they will give you 3 inequalities and one function or one equation. So what you have to do is to graph them, okay? So y is 3 is less than or equal to y. We draw the other point. And also y is less than or equal to 6. You do the same. And it means like y is equal to 3 and y is also equal to 6. So you just do the points or draw a line. It's not necessarily. Okay. Then we have to graph this line. We turn it into equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 12. So I choose these 3 points. 0, we substitute it here. It will be 12. And minus 3, it will be minus 3. No, it will be 3. And also here, minus 6, and it will be also minus. And we're done with this line, so we graph it. So 0 with minus 12. Let us say minus 12 is here. And minus 3 with 3. And minus 6 with 6. And we draw the line. I will choose another color. I think that this point needs to be a little bit more here. Okay, so we're done with the first line. Let's go to the second line. The second line is like y is less than or equal to minus 2x plus 6. So I told you we turn it into a equation. Y is equal to minus 2x plus 6. I chose those 3 points. I told you you can choose any points you want. 0, 3, and 6. If we substitute it, we will get 6. The other one, 0, and the last one will be minus 6. Okay, so let's graph them. 0 with minus 6. With 6. 3 with 0. And we here, just make sure you don't lose the point. You need a little bit to be here, like this. So we draw the second line. Now this line is actually y less than 3x plus 12. So we substitute the variables with 0. So it will be 0 is less than 12. Is 0 is less than or equals 12? Yes, it is. So we color the area to 0. Like this. The whole line. And the second line says that y is less than or equal to minus 2x plus 6. And we see if 0 is less than or equal to 6. Is it less than or equal to 6? Yes, it is. So we color this area. So now we find that this is the feasible region. So we solved the first part of our question, which is we found the feasible region. And now we have to find the vertices. So the vertices are actually this and this. Minus 3 was 3, 1.5 was 3, 0 was 6, and minus 2 was 6. We substitute them on the equation that they gave us. Minus 2 and 3, 1.5 and 3, 0 and 6, minus 2 and 6. The answers would be like 18, 0, minus 12 and minus 20. And now we need to find the maximum and the minimum values. The minimum is minus 20 or minus 2, 6. The vertex minus 2, 6, sorry. So it is the minimum. And the maximum is 0, which is 1.5 and 3. So it is the maximum. So now we solve this equation. So if you understand this question, you will know how to solve the unbounded region inequalities. And thank you so much for watching.